Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a what's in my bag weekend travel edition. I am going on a little weekend trip. I'm actually leaving in just an hour, so I figured what better time than to show you what's in my bag. So starting with my Toiletries bag, let me show you what I have inside. Of course, a toothbrush and toothpaste. I have two travel sized little bottles. This is body oil and then this is body lotion. Deodorant, hairspray, my face wipes, hairbrush with all of the hair ties and ribbons attached. This is my little mini emergency kit. Inside is just Q-tips, band-aids, nail file, alcohol prep pads, all the things you could potentially need. Have my face wash, my eye cream, face lotion, my styling cream, of course my little wristbands for washing my face, a couple little pieces of jewelry, and then a nail file and comb. I completely realized I don't have any lipstick on. Much better. Also, if you're new here, my name is Courtney and I teach travel tips and travel hacking and some fun behind the scenes travel, also that you guys can get insight into my travels, you can learn how to travel more, and you can save money by using points and miles. So if you haven't subscribed already, be sure to do that now. Okay, moving on to my makeup bag. This is my cowl pack. If you have watched any of my what's in my bags or really any of my like Amazon favorites, my travel must-haves, you've heard me talk about this cowl pack. This is the Mary Poppins of toiletry bags. I don't know how I can fit so much stuff in here, but I do. This just has all of my makeup. I could pack all my makeup into one side, but I was being a little lazy and just decided to go ahead and spread it out over the two. I won't walk you through every piece of makeup that's in here. If that's something that you guys do want to see, be sure to leave a comment down below. But this is my cowl pack bag that holds all of my makeup. Okay, so now let's see what's in my purse. When I travel, I do put my purse inside my like personal item. So I'll show you that. Again, you guys have seen this before if you've watched other what's in my bag videos, but I do put my purse inside of here just to make things easier. This is my Coach bag that I purchased in London. I love it so much. It has this really cute chain strap so that you can wear it short. It could be like a little shoulder bag, or I have this leather strap to make it a crossbody, so love that. I don't think there's anything too exciting in here. Let's look. Okay, wallet, of course. My Summer Fridays lip balm. I have a NARS and a NYX lippy. I have my watch, which I should probably just go ahead and put on. I have some random bills. See how much money I have. $10, $11, $12. Touchland Germex. This one is, they have flavors. Power Mist, Wild Watermelon. Honestly smells so good. I will say I'm shocked at how long these last. I've had this at least a month maybe, and I feel like I use it like very frequently, and there's still so much left in there. I have a little bit of perfume left, just the tiniest bit of perfume. This is Marc Jacobs Daisy. Two more mini lippies. This is the NARS lipstick in Orgasm, and this is the Charlotte Tilbury in Pillow Talk. And then I have two wrappers from a Ricola cough drop, a hair tie, and I have a pack of gum. So that is really it in my purse. So that's everything in my purse. Again, I put my purse in my personal bag to consolidate it. That way I can still use it on my trip, but I'm not having to carry 3 bags when I'm at the airport. This is what I will take on the plane with me, with everything that I'll need. Of course, I'm starting with my messy charger that I seriously need to untangle. This is my phone charger and my computer charger in one. Then I have my laptop. Always keep my portable charger in here. This I keep charged at all times. It just lives in this bag, so I never have to actually think about packing it. I have another Germex. There's a few random like pens and pencils. I have a Red Lobster gift card for some reason. I have my notebook. I have my passport. I have my handy dandy tripod. I take this with me everywhere. This one is huge. I'll link it down below. I got it off Amazon. Let me open it up. It's kind of hard to open. There we go. I don't even think you'll be able to see, but this thing extends so, oh my god, yeah. You can't even tell, but this is extended like so long. So keep this with me. I have a little bag of candies and mints. And then I don't always take this with me, but it is January 2nd. This is the first flight I'm taking of the year. So I made little goodie bags for the flight attendants. So I do have that in here as well. And then in this front zipper pocket up here, I always keep a couple hair clips. So I have this really big one, and then I have this little tiny one. I have a mini hairbrush. I have my AirPods, and then my little Taylor Swift bag that has everything I would ever need in Germex, Dramamine, Midol, chapstick, business card, more gum, some cuticle oil, more highlighters and pens, hair tie, nail glue, of course, lash glue, more chapstick, more lipstick, even more lash glue, even more nail glue, another perfume, but this one is literally completely empty, so I'm throwing that away. Another nail glue stuck to a Buffalo Wild Wings hand wipe with a gum wrapper glued to it. Like I said, everything I could possibly need in that bag. I will not be running out of nail glue, clearly. And then not in any bag, but going in my checked bag as well will be my curling iron and this Morphe makeup palette. I've had it forever, so it's kind of messy, but gorgeous colors. I am going back home to Illinois, and I looked at the weather and it is going to be absolutely freezing cold, like frigid. The lows are so low, so I need lots of sweaters, lots of layers. Like I said, I'm heading to the airport right after I'm done filming this, so I'm just gonna wear this little sweater that I have on, and I'm in my leggings. So I will show you the leggings I'm currently wearing, and I will be bringing an extra pair, are the Aerie leggings, and I wonder if I can tell you what. They're the Offline by Aerie, and they have this like crisscrossed design kind of in the front. I'm wearing a medium, and I swear these are the most comfortable leggings I have ever worn. I am in these every single day. I have 4 pairs. I love them so much. So that will be like the base of many of my outfits. Oh my god. I just broke a nail. Okay, we'll fix that with all the nail glue I have. So the leggings will be the base of a lot of my outfits because they're so warm, and then I brought a bunch of different sweaters to go with them. So starting with just this like yoga jacket. It's just plain black. It is by the brand Jockey. Honestly, I bought this at Costco. It was $16 and I love it. It's warm, it's fitted. It even has those really nice little holes that you can like stick your thumb through. I'm obsessed with those. And then I have this jacket. This is also from Aerie, but I got this at the Aerie outlet when I was on a trip like a couple months ago. So I don't know where you could find it, but I love this. And then I just am bringing my long sleeve bodysuit. This is from Old Navy. It is literally just a plain black bodysuit because you just can't go wrong. I will probably pair that with just these black pair of skinny jeans one night. And then I have this really cute baby blue sweater. The sleeves are like really long and they kind of like flare out, but I love this color and it's so thick and cozy and warm. It will be perfect. And then I also have this black sweater with these really pretty like gold embellished buttons on the side. I love this. It's also very warm. I got this at H&M. They're having like their huge sweater sale right now. All of their sweaters are like $9 to $20. So if you're in the market for some new sweaters, it would be a good time to go check out H&M. Of course, I have my pajamas, my workout clothes, my bras and underwear, but I don't need to show you guys that. And then the very last thing I'm bringing are these adorable earmuffs. Look at how cute they are. I'm gonna be so warm and cozy. So that would be all of the clothes that I'm gonna bring. Again, like I said, it's gonna be super cold, so heavy on the sweaters and the jackets. I'll bring my coat and my scarf as well, but I'm gonna pack it in my checked bag because I don't necessarily need it right now because it's not that cold here in Denver. But when we land, I'll be able to get it out of my bag since it'll be probably, let's actually look. When I land tonight, it'll be 28 degrees. So that's not terrible. Saturday, the low is 9. Anyways, that is everything I am packing with me for my weekend trip. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like and subscribe and leave a comment down below, and I will see you all very soon.